Hi everyone. I've put this video together on something that I recently discovered in the last couple of days and thought I would share it with you because Flowlu is very good at telling us about the big things like the document builder and whatnot. However, there's lots of things happening all the time, and I genuinely think they just can't keep up with the little augmentations, the little things that they add to make the platform even more powerful. And this one is brilliant. It's about email automations. It's just suddenly appeared. And you may be familiar with project opportunity automations, and in which case you'll know how powerful they are. And this is the same kind of logic, but just applying it to the email inbox. So let's fire in. As ever, this is my training development Flowlu, so there's no confidential data in here that you might accidentally see. So this automation, if you had 5 email inboxes, 3 email inboxes, you would just select which inbox you want to work with for the automations, because you may have different email addresses like office at or maybe proposals at, as well as whatever. So you'd select that, and then you go to the 3 dots in the top right, and this extended menu comes up. We've had a few of these options for a while now, but things like blocked addresses is new, contacts is new, and automation is new. And that's what we're going to talk about today. Regarding automations generally, I'm hoping to do a couple of videos in the not too distant future just to dig into those. So that you can see how powerful they are, and maybe explore how they can be used for your business. So anyway, automations for email. Here we go. So we click that and we're asked to create a rule. Any rules that we have will be listed here so that we can edit. And when we hit the button, we get these options, which is fab. So we can have an issue. Now that's great for your agile or support kind of orientated thing at the bottom there, but you've got notification, send someone a notification, request a response from someone, a comment, fire off a webhook onto another platform to get it to do something, create a task, create a calendar event, and like I say, create an issue. We're just going to keep it nice and easy, and it's going to be create a task. So let's click that. So we give it a name, and we're going to call it Flowlu task. And we have the choice of an event, create, update, or delete. We're going to create. If it exists already, we're going to have it running, I'm going to say, a day after the email comes in. So the current time is the time that Flowlu receives whatever it is that you're talking about, the trigger, in this case, an email. So an email hits the inbox, whatever time that is, that's the current time. And then what I'm asking is that one day after the email hits the inbox, create a task. Now, we've got to say a little bit more than that, because what we want to do is say add condition, right? And these are the options. So we have subject, email content, email type, folder, from, and to. Now, from, for example, could be useful if you've got a bigger team and, an email from a particular account as an account manager, if you like. Well, that email can create a task for that team that's looking after that account. So that'd be useful. But if you're on your own, like me, or just occasionally use VAs, then it might not be so useful. So I'm just going to keep this example nice and easy again. And what's going to be is we're going to just have a subject. And what we're going to say with this is the subject contains, and I'm just going to say Flowlu, okay? So whenever an email comes in and the subject contains Flowlu, this task will get created. So I'm going to say, please review this email, and stick in here the email content, the subject line, and the email content. And we'll just separate that like so. We have additional options around here, but we don't need to do that for that kind of thing. And assign it to me. You can give it into a workflow, whichever task workflows. I've just got test workflows here, but you can do that and then set any custom fields that you have in your tasks module. So all of that is great. Once you've done that, you just click save, and then you have this. And it's now running, it's active, and the tick says that that's a task. The little icons mean different things. And so that's it, that's now live. So when the next email comes in and it has Flowlu in the subject line, I'm going to get a task. How cool is that? Love that. Really, really nice, neat feature, something that can be set up and with any luck, will actually be expanded, because it'd be great if we could create other things, maybe even like a project from a particular email if there's a particular content in there. But anyway, that's a nice little feature that we now have. I hope you find this video useful, and I hope you find the feature useful. Get that set up and get your automations running. It saves you a lot of time, and actually can help with the whole CRM thing, of course, which is why I love Flowlu. Is it means you're connecting, engaging, responding, you're interactive, in using the Flowlu to help you do that with your relationships with your customers. So see you on the next video. You take care, and thanks for your time. Bye.